Hello everybody. I am going to be sharing a few alcohol ink backgrounds. I was asked over on my Instagram page when I shared a photo if I was going to be making a YouTube video, and I wasn't planning on it, but I thought, you know what, I might as well just do a short little video and share with you what I have found, what works for me for the look that I am going for when I'm doing my alcohol ink backgrounds. So as you could see, I'm going for more of a smoky kind of effect. I'm not going for a whole lot of concentrated colors or a super colorful background. Maybe for other projects, but for just kind of playing around and for what I'm doing right now, it's just, this is what I'm going for. So all of the supplies will be listed down below, but I am using all of the colors that I just recently got and I shared them in a haul video. So if you haven't seen it, I will have it linked in the upper right hand corner for you guys to see. So like I said, I'm just going to share really quickly the technique that I'm kind of using. Again, I'm still playing around, still new to this. So this is what I've been doing is I lay down a little bit of color, and then I'm really drawn to one specific color and then a gray. So I wish I would have gotten just a little bit lighter gray, but I definitely will be picking it up. But so after I lay down the color, I add a very generous amount of the blending solution. You can use rubbing alcohol as well. Again, I put a ton of it on there, and then that is going to give you that more a muted color and the smoky effect, this really cool smoky effect. So as you could see, I kind of tilted it back and forth and side to side, and then I kind of hit it with my heat tool just a little bit, and then tilted it a little bit more, hit it with my heat tool. So that's kind of my technique, and as you could see, it goes really quick. So I added that concentrated color, add a little bit of that gray, and then I'm going to go in with a ton of this blending solution. So I put it all around where I put the alcohol ink, and then just a little squirt in the middle. And then you could see here I'm tilting it back and forth, side to side, kind of just playing around and letting the colors mix and do their thing. And the more blending solution you add, the more kind of play you have and with allowing them to mix together. And then once I see that I like the look, I will hit it with the heat tool, and then that is going to be it. And I don't know if I said already, but I am using Yupo paper. The brand is from Legion, and it is the Yupo Heavy. There is a medium, which is a little bit cheaper. And then, of course, you can get the Holtz brand as well. But I found that I really like the Legion brand way better than the Holtz brand. But that's just a personal preference. All right, so again, I put down the color, and then I go with the blending solution, go around where I put the alcohol ink, and then I'm just going to move it back and forth, let those colors kind of mix together and do its thing, and then I'll hit it a little bit with the heat tool just to kind of dry it a little bit, and then I'll tilt it back and forth and side to side and let it blend a little bit. And that's basically it. I hope this helped in some way. I know that it is a very short video. I will be doing a longer, more in-depth video, and also doing comparisons between the paper and the different alcohol inks once I get more experience using them and more comfortable. But that is going to be it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.